Welcome to Always Dolls. In a previous video, we asked viewers if you'd like to see our DIY holiday food crafts. The response from the community was really positive and encouraging. So today, we share with you our Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, St. Patrick's and Valentine's Day themed DIYs. Let's start with our Christmas foods. Before making DIYs for our channel, we loved following tutorials from Totally Rudy. Here we have our version of AG's gingerbread house. It's a large piece made from fun foam and puffy paint. The Christmas tree is a mini ornament bought from the dollar store and fits perfectly with the scale of the gingerbread house. I'm really proud of all the details, like using glitter to replicate crystallized sugar on the gumdrops. From the same tutorial, you can make the candy dish. For us, the bowl was the lid from an empty can of whipped cream. These adorable boxes are downloaded from Rudy's American Girl Ideas website, and so too are the mini chocolate bar printables, but I'm not sure if the website is still working. We made simple candy canes from air-dried clay and red paint so they would fit in the box. Totally Rudy also made a simple peppermint bark tutorial. You can also watch a recent tutorial from Michelle's House of Miniatures for a similar craft for your dolls. In 2021, we collaborated with fellow YouTuber Dolls and DIYs to make Christmas savoury and sweet platters. In our video, we show how to make a tree-shaped charcuterie board. We left some pieces free so our dolls can fill their plate. Here are all our Christmas cakes. In the centre, we have the Yule log and slice. Next to this is our macaron Christmas tree, made from air-dried clay, glitter, and it even has its own paperboard gingerbread man. We made the Malteser pudding as part of Doll Fairy Crafters' Christmas in July collaboration. And off-camera, we made a Christmas bundt cake. I am really proud of the tiny minced pies. They look so realistic and yummy. We also had a go at crafting a semi-naked chocolate cake inspired from the cover of AG's holiday baking book. There is an older video showing how to make a doll-sized version of this book using stock images sourced from Google. Next up, let's see our doll Christmas drinks. We showed how to make this mug so long ago, I think the video is still on our Facebook page. Here is our version of the Welly Wisher hot cocoa drinks. For this, we used communion cups, hot glue, and paint. And we also made the accompanying urn and whipped cream bottle. These snowflake cookies were inspired by our generation's Chocotastic stand. They are made from paperboard and puffy paint. Arguably, our biggest Christmas food craft is the gingerbread train. This time I used fun foam and white hot glue sticks. I think it's fun that the border rails are supersized doll-sized Toblerone bars. Also, you can pop crafted or AG bought candy packets in the cart for display. And most recently, we showed you how to make this trio of Christmas candies. My personal favourite are the ribbon candies. They are so elegant and delicate. Christmas in the dollhouse is certainly a yummy affair, with all these sweet and savoury treats to enjoy and share. Moving backward through the calendar, let's explore our Thanksgiving food crafts. First up, our turkeys. On the left is our first attempt, made from air-dry clay. We followed a My Froggy Stuff tutorial, upsizing the dimensions from a Barbie to AG scale. For our second attempt, we made a turkey without clay. This version has a lot of texture, and our paint job was much better. In both versions, the bird is removable from the serving tray. The garnish is also removable from the platters, so we can use them for other doll crafts. For sides, we have dishes of mashed potato and sweet potato. Since we don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Australia, it was fun to research what they look like and how they are made. When crafting, we made sure you could remove the food from the casserole dishes. From these mini plastic Halloween decorations, we were able to make a version of Blair's pumpkin and egg dish from her farmhouse restaurant. They work great as part of a table setup. The cranberry sauce is super easy to make. just mix seed beads with red paint and glue. For crockery, we just bought mini condiment containers and spray painted them. Our DIY butter block goes with any seasonal celebration. It's hard to believe it was made from just paperboard, glue, and paint. Next are our autumn cakes. These are spray paint caps decorated with puffy paint, mini styrofoam fruit, hot glue, and leaf cutouts. For the pecan pie, we individually crafted each nut from air-dry clay. The time spent doing this was totally worth it for the realistic result. I'm also really proud of the pumpkin pie made from coloured cardstock and cotton balls for whipped cream. We have a video showing how to make simple fall-themed cookies, or check out these Harry Potter-inspired pumpkin pasties. Our dolls can enjoy a hot pumpkin-spiced latte, or if your dolls prefer, you can make an iced version with whipped cream and real cinnamon powder sprinkled on top. The dolls have everything they need for a hearty feast. But what does a monster eat on Thanksgiving? Gravy, of course. Alright, bad jokes aside, let's check out our Halloween food. In an older craft, we made mummy-wrapped frankfurts. Because this kind of air-dry clay shrinks when dried, I would make them a lot bigger to start with. We also show how to make deviled eggs with a pumpkin-shaped filling. And a spider bread dip bowl. And our themed milkshakes in eyeball mint, chocolate witch's hat, candy corn, and vampire strawberry flavour. For snacking, we show how to make white chocolate dipped pretzels, eyeball candy, and monster cake pops. Here we recycled clear plastic packaging to make handles so the dolls can actually hold their cake pops. We have servings of caramel popcorn and brownies made from super simple household materials. And fun-shaped cookies made from cereal box paperboard. Here we put some in mini baggies for different presentation. Our ghost lollipops are made from hot glue. I love the goofy faces drawn with black Sharpie. These orange-filled Oreo biscuits are quick to craft and even faster if you have a hole punch. Let's look at our last batch of themed foods. These are our Easter, St. Patrick's and Valentine's Day treats. You can make these adorable Easter chick biscuits from Fun Foam. And here we tried to replicate orange chocolate dipped strawberries using air-dry clay, paint and cardstock for the stem. I really liked the realistic texture achieved with these hot crossed buns. The top coat of gloss Mod Podge gives them that shiny glazed finish. Here we made slices of carrot cake using a kitchen sponge, corking for frosting, and a button for embellishment. Keeping with the carrot theme, we replicated a Pinterest idea to make doll-sized bags of candy. This craft was so quick and easy. Next up, we have chocolate rabbits made by layering Fun Foam for that 3D effect, and adorable bunny cake pops. Our cake topper has even smaller chocolate rabbits, but this time we layered hot glue for the same 3D effect. The cake is really pretty with its ombre pastel colours. Hot glue is such a versatile medium. You can see how to make these bunny bottom biscuits from more hot glue and air-dry clay. We got these mini eggs from the decoration section of our local dollar store. Some are painted and others are wrapped in recycled Easter egg foil. Switching to Valentine's crafts, off camera we embellished an AG drink with clay hearts and marshmallows, tiny resin flowers and paper wafer sticks from our stash. You can watch how we put together this fairy floss version in our Monster Milkshake video. These are our take on Starbucks Be Mine collection from, I want to say, their 2019 release. What doll can resist a box of gourmet chocolates? This is our second attempt at this craft. In version 2.0, we stepped it up to give each chocolate their own individual wrapper, which was recycled from Fulero brochet chocolates. From our Mother's Day breakfast video, we still have the cup of hot cocoa. And we were inspired by the heart-shaped cake from Kristen's party treats set, making our own from air-dry clay, complete with removable strawberries, just giving it a Valentine's Day twist. For something different, we made a Valentine's Day bouquet, filled with flowers, lots of candies, and a toffee apple. Along the way, we've also made videos for St. Patrick's Day treats. Here we made colourful popcorn, using the plastic shell from Easter eggs as our bowls. And again, we've used the paperboard and puffy paint method to make fun 3-leafed clover cookies. These clover-shaped pretzels were fun to make, and again, we just used hot glue. My favourite are the leprechaun money pots, made from a large wooden bead and fun foam for the M&M candies. Because all these foods are seasonal, when not in use, we like to pack them up in small baggies, then store them in a colourful Christmas box. Thanks for joining me while we took a look at all our DIY holiday food crafts. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.